Insurance policy discount. Adding additional costs or discounts to a base premium. In this example, we will show how to add additional costs or discounts to a base premium without accessing the project that calculates the base premium. This restricts editing the basic part of the project and ensures that it is kept untouched. Let's run the project. Open the file mainflow.xml. Click on Logic Run Template. Click on one of the given templates. Click Debug. Click Next Step to go step by step. It will go through the basic premium calculation decision package and the discount decision table. When the execution has completed, you will see the output under the Parameters window. Let's see the project description. The focus of this project is to add additional costs or discounts to the premium while keeping the base premium untouched. So, we have created two projects. The purpose for base premium calculation is to calculate the base premium. The purpose for insurance policy discount is to add the discount to the base premium. Let's have a look at base premium calculation first. You can find this project in your project folder. In base premium calculation, we have first created the project that calculates the base premium based on the applicant data. Then we create the package, base premium calculation. This creates the package file, which is linked to the other project. Once we click the Publish button, the file basepremiumcalculation.frdp will be created. Let's see the insurance policy discount project now. This is where the project file is in the project folder. Basepremiumcalculation.frdp is the decision package that we built in the previous project. Mainflow.xml is the orchestration layer that combines the package and decisioning parts of the project. It connects the base premium calculation and discount decision table. If you right-click on the package file and select Open Document, you will see the option to create the above fact concept. Then, it automatically extracts the input concept from the package file and created concept file, basepremiumcalculation.concept.xml. Discount.xml is the decision table that determines the discount percentage. Boxedexpression.xml contains the formulas used in the project. Want to get started? Visit our resource hub for more information.